In order to save a hoop within the IDS software, we go up to View on the main menu bar and then go to View Preferences. In View Preferences, if we go to the Hoop Original Point tab, we can see that we have several different hoop manufacturers that we can choose from. We also have the ability to choose custom hoop. But in this instance, we are going to make our own manufacturer name as well as our own hoop. So just by using the left click on the plus or minus sign will expand or contract a certain manufacturer. It doesn't matter which manufacturer I'm going to click on, but I can click on the manufacturer and then hit the plus sign right underneath. This allows me to name my own manufacturer, so I would like to name this templates, and this will be a whole new subject. The type name will be like the type of template or the type of hoop that I'm going to insert. So for example, you'll see on other manufacturers, you'll see it says circle or jacket back or round or whatever. So the type name, maybe here I will put in racing stripe. And the display name, I typically like to give it the actual size dimensions in the display name so I can see what size that is. So I'm going to name this 150 by 40. I'm going to change the slider bar so that it can be a complete rectangle. The slider bar will give you your corner percentages. So if you bring it all the way to the left, I will have a 0 corner percentage, meaning I'll have like a 90-degree angle. And as I bring it more to the right, it will round it out more. And then if I bring it all the way to the right to 100, it will be a circle. So I'm going to bring it all the way to the left, and the width on this I'm going to name 150, and the height I am going to put in 40. I'll go ahead and press OK, and what happens is I get a whole new get a whole new manufacturer. Then there's the name of the category of hoop, and then there's the name of the hoop. So I can select that, click on Show Hoop. I want to make sure it's showing horizontal on the left. On my options here, I've got vertical and horizontal. I want to show it horizontal, and then I press OK. Make sure my Show Hoop is up, and let me go back to the View Preferences, make sure I've got all the right things selected. Oh, I didn't select Show Hoop, so I left click to select Show Hoop and then press OK. There is my new hoop. It's now saved in there. If I want to add more, I'll go back up to View, then View Preferences. I'll go to the Hoop Original Point, and let's say I want to add another hoop underneath Racing Stripe. I can hit the plus sign. I can then give a new display name. Maybe I'll say this is my 100 by 40. I can type in what I need in those same boxes and then press OK. Now I have a new one. If I'd like to add another category, if I left click on the category, click Add. This one I want to name Circle. I can give it the display name, and I will name this 100 by 100. I want it to be a complete circle, so here I will drag it all the way to the right, and with 1:1 aspect ratio, my width and height will be the same, and it's 100 right now. I'll press OK. So now I have 2 categories within my new manufacturer, and I've got 3 hoops. So I'm just going to choose this hoop to display, make sure Show Hoop is selected, and then press OK. And now you can see my frames on there, or my limitations, if you will. If you have any questions, just give us a call, 877-724-6400.